Hey guys, welcome back. So it's behind the recipe and we just made pan-seared scallops in a cast iron pan with a black bean sauce, cauliflower rice with purple onions and zucchini and toasted sesame seeds, and oh my god, this looks so good. What do you think, Parks?
I can't wait.
You didn't know where we were going with this.
I never know what you're going to make.
Okay, let's taste the cauliflower rice first.
Okay. Oh, it's so good.
If I didn't tell you it was cauliflower rice, would you think it was rice?
Yeah. And it's almost like a really light stuffing.
A stuffing?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Like a Thanksgiving stuffing. Because it's got so many flavors and different things in it. Not what you expected me to say. It's really good.
It's really good?
It's really good. It's really good.
Okay, I'm going to taste the scallop.
Okay.
Oh my god. So sweet. It's literally like sugar sweet. Right?
It's one of my favorites.
And you know why it's so sweet? Well, first of all, scallops are sweet in general. But we got that beautiful sear. And then to glaze the pan with some pink grapefruit squeezed with the aji mirin, we reduced it with the black bean sauce, and it became this kind of like sugary sweet sauce, but savory at the same time. Oh, it pairs so well with the scallop. Oh my goodness.
This is a great meal. Delicious. It's really great.
Thanks, sweetie.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Wow. I love scallops. I love them.
Me too. But they have to be cooked right. That's the problem with scallops. I don't usually order scallops in a restaurant. There's certain things that I make, and I know how to make them really well, and I know how easy they are to screw up. And especially when it's like an expensive ticket item like scallop or a steak, I tend not to order those when I go out because I don't want to be disappointed. And I'm not really that judgmental when I go out, honestly. Like if I'm going to McDonald's, I expect McDonald's. If I'm going to a diner, I expect diner food. If I'm going to a 3-star restaurant, I expect 3-star restaurant food. If I'm going to a Chinese takeout, that's what I'm expecting. But if I'm going to a restaurant and it's, supposedly really high end and they have scallops on the menu and they're charging like $38, I might hesitate because I know that I can make them much better. And the same thing with a steak, because I love steak so much, and when I have it, it's like a treat. And literally it's one of the best things I can do is like perfectly cook a steak. And I'm proud of that. And it's a curse and a blessing, really. Isn't it?
Yep. I have a question.
Yeah.
Why sometimes when you go out and you order scallops in a restaurant, are they rubbery? Which these aren't. These are tender.
It's from overcooking. It's really easy to overcook a scallop. And that's exactly what happens to them. They become super rubbery. Calamari, same thing.
Oh.
Less is more.
Less is more.
Okay, on that note, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned something. And I know what you did learn for sure, that you can do it. Okay? So try it. Cook with us.
All I do is eat while you're talking, and I'm always done with this.
I know.
By the end.
Oh well.
See you soon.
Bye.